We live. Woo. I gotta let Chubbs warm up. Come on, baby, warm up, baby, warm up.
Demon just got out of camp. I gave my bro an advance. Love is just not in my plans. Not even taking a chance. Studio right in my yacht. I'm doing 10 in a week. How long I've been on the street?
Hot
Dream
out.
about work in my sleep.
Tell you that much.
Okay, I got a lock on the streets.
Hot as hell.
Shout out to T3.
Hot in the motherfucker. Let's go for a ride. Cold start. See how my baby do. I haven't brought her out the house all day today. See how she does. I gotta warm her up. Come on, baby, warm her up. What's good, guys? What is good? It is your boy ATL Tank, man. I am back. So, quick update. I mean, I know you guys probably can hear it sound a lot better now. Oh, I got a little buggy in my eye, but I know you guys can hear it better now. So I ended up upgrading to get me a mic and the GoPro adapter so that I can talk to you guys. Welcome to the channel. TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, all of the above. I'm so excited for this, man. I got so much content coming soon. Me and the brothers. So I wanted to see how this thing does, man. So you guys can tell me how it sounds and if it's worth it. So I ended up grabbing Purple Panda for my microphone. I will be dropping a link in the description to so you guys can go ahead and connect with them, man. Shout out to Purple Panda. Shout out to Chin Mounts, man. Like, I am blown away how good these mounts hold up. To be honest, it is a really good setup for your GoPro, especially when you want to keep it together. Hold on one second. That's your best bet. Go with chin mounts, man. Yeah. Woo! Chubbs. We gotta go ahead and get you tuned up in full exhaust soon. I will be having a video with that. Most definitely will. So you guys look out for that video. That's gonna be a hot one. But yeah, so I ended up getting the equipment so I could talk to you guys. I thought it'd be pretty cool. I see a lot of YouTubers doing things, and it's some things that I actually want to do with myself and the guys, especially when it comes to some motor vlogging, because I want to teach you guys some stuff, but I also want to learn from you guys too, and take what I can from you guys. But we definitely do have some content coming up, and that's gonna be big, man. We got some spots that we're gonna go check out. So today's video is really just to, see how this sounds, man. See what this actually is about, and if it's worth it. Oh man, Chubbs, I miss you, my friend. My friend, you back. Yeah, so I done missed my gear. Alright, that's enough. I ain't gonna do too much. Don't want to get in no trouble. Hey, kids, boys and gals, I do not condone that type of stuff, okay? Don't be like Daddy Tank, Uncle Tank. Don't be like me. Oh, man. I'm so excited, man. I'm so excited to talk to you guys. I'm so excited for what's to come. We're going to have a lot of fun, man. Gonna be a nice little chain of events, you know what I'm saying? Gotta spin the machine. Spin a minute, Danny. Yo, I've been seeing a lot of damn Hellcats and Scat Packs and look, I'm gonna tell you butt butts. You guys can't keep up with us Jigsaw dudes and one Kawasaki. Shout out to my brother. But I'm sick of seeing all you little Scat Pack punks. Nah, but you know they do be annoying sometimes. Cause all they want to do is race you. They're like, what the hell? Bro, I'm just trying to go to the store and get something to drink. This video is just mainly for the microphone and the GoPro adapter. What is going on with my gears? Am I doing this right? I forgot how to ride a bike. But that's all it really is for. Oh, and also too, I forgot the name of the case. There's a case that actually holds the GoPro adapter, and it also allows you to have everything in sync, your microphone and everything else, so that you don't have to worry about all the bunch of wires and BS and stuff like that hanging out from out of your GoPro. You can have everything all in one place. So I will drop the link in the description for all three of these devices that I picked up to make, you know, make it better for you guys. So if you guys are trying to be like me, y'all can go ahead and get what you need, you know what I'm saying? Come on, Genesis, come on. So that is really it, guys. That's all I have. I really appreciate you guys tuning in and just, you know, watching my videos, man. It means a lot to me, man. But hey, man, like I said, this video was mainly just to see how this whole setup works, and you guys can leave your comments, man, and let me know what you think. So it's your boy ATL Tank, man. Deuces.